Hi students, in this video we will see horizontal angle measurement by repetition method by using the transit theodolite. So here you have to find out the angle QPR by repetition method. Okay, so P is our instrument station, Q and R our objects. So the step. Okay, so first see the observation table for horizontal angle measurement by repetition method. So see here, this is the observation table. Okay, instrument station, object, phase, number of reading. So here in repetition method we will take 3 reading with phase left and 3 reading with phase right. Okay, so here you can say number of reading, that's why the here column number of reading, initial reading on vernier, so 2 vernier A and B, final reading on vernier, angle on vernier, mean angle on vernier, mean angle of observation, and last is remark. Okay, so this is the observation table. So first step is you have to set your instrument over your required station. Okay, and perform all the temporary adjustment. Now what are the temporary adjustment? Fixing, centering, leveling, focusing, and vernier setting. So we already perform all the temporary adjustment here. Okay, only vernier setting is remaining. So here set vernier A 0 degree and vernier B 180 degree by using the clamping screw and slow motion screw. So here we fix A 0 degree. So once we fix A at 0 degree, at B there will be automatically 180 degree set. Okay, now the instrument is fixed here. Okay, now we take phase left. So in repetition method we will take 3 reading with phase left and 3 reading with phase right. So set phase left. Now what is the phase left? Your vertical circle is on left side of the observer. Now here I am the observer. So now the vertical circle is on left side of the observer during the reading while taking measurement. That is the phase left. Now here phase left position. Now bisect first object Q. Okay, now here you can see the instrument is fixed. Okay, and we already set 0 degree at A and 180 degree at B. Now loose the lower clamp. Loose the lower clamp and turn the your theodolite towards your first object, that is object Q, and bisect approximately through this target vein. So once your point bisect approximately, fix this lower clamp. Okay, and then by using the slow motion screw, that is horizontal slow motion screw and vertical slow motion screw, bisect your point Q accurately. Now here Q is bisect accurately. So that time what will be the reading? So here at A will be 0 degree and at B will be 180 degree. So why it is? Because we lose the lower clamp, and when we lose the lower clamp there is a no change in reading. So enter reading into the observation table. So here our instrument station P, right, your object, first object Q and second object R, first phase left. So here number of reading 1, 2 and 3. So same for phase right. Okay, so here again instrument station P, object QR, this time phase right, and the readings 1, 2 and 3. Correct. Now here we bisect Q point. Okay, so the reading at vernier, when you bisect Q, your initial reading 0 degree, 0 minute, 0 second, and at B 180 degree, 0 minute. Time lose your. Now again here you can see the instrument is fixed. Now lose the upper clamp. Okay, now there will be change in reading. Turn the telescope towards your second object, that is object R, and bisect it. First approximately looking through the target vein, then fix the upper clamp, and then accurately by using the slow motion screw, that is vertical slow motion screw and horizontal slow motion screw. Yes, and now again observe the reading at A. So here, okay, so the readings, final reading on vernier. So here final reading at A 30 degree 20 minute 0 second, and at B 210 degree 0 minute 0 second. Okay, now next, now here again your instrument is fixed. Okay, now this is our first reading. Now second time, again here loose the lower clamp, right? Turn your theodolite again towards your first object and repeat the process. So here bisect it approximately looking to the target vein. So fix the lower clamp and accurately by using this slow motion screw, and then observe the reading at A and at B. So what will be the reading? Okay, now see here, we lose the lower clamp. Okay, when we the reading at vernier A and B is 30 degree 20 minute 0 second, and at B 210 degree 0 minute 0 second. That time we lose the lower clamp. Okay, and turn the your theodolite towards the your first object again. So what happened? Your initial reading on vernier for second observation will be same, that is 30 degree 20 minute 0 second at A, and at B 210 degree 0 minute 0 second. Okay, now here, now in this position again lose the upper clamp, turn your theodolite towards your second object, bisect it accurately by using the slow motion screw. Okay, now there will be change in reading, and observe the reading at A and at B. Okay, and record into the observation table. So the reading will be and the reading at another window is, okay. Observe the reading through window and record into the observation table, and the reading is at A, now this time 60 degree 22 minute 40 second, and at B 241 degree 8 minute 20 second. Okay, now this is for second observation. Now our third observation. Okay, so here again lose the lower clamp at this position, turn your theodolite towards again your first object, that is object Q, bisect it accurately by using slow motion screw, and note down the reading at vernier A and B. Now here the initial reading for third observation will be at A 60 degree 22 minute 40 second, and at B 241 degree 8 minute 20 second. Okay, now Here, use the low upper clamp. Turn the telescope, your theodolite towards your object R. Dissect it accurately by using slow motion screw. And observe the final reading for third observation looking through the magnifying glass at window A. And window B. And record in observation table. So the reading is final reading for third observation with face left at A is 91 degree 40 minute 20 second, and at B 272 degree 42 minute 272 degree 24 minute 20 second. This is for face left. Now next step is again what? So same procedure with face right, that is set your vernier at 0 degree first and B at 180 degree with the help of clamping screw, right? Now this time take face right, so transiting and swinging. Okay, now this time face right because this vertical circle is on right side of the observer, and repeat the process as face left and record the reading in the observation table. Now see the calculation for repetition method. So this is the observation table for horizontal angle by repetition method, and we already taken these observations. So now the next part is calculation part. So you have to find out angle on vernier. So here two vernier A and vernier B. So first find angle on vernier A. So here this is the final reading on vernier A, and initially we set this reading, that is 0 degree. So difference between these two reading divided by 3, because we take 3 reading, you will get angle on vernier A, which is 30 degree 33 minute 26 second. Same calculation for vernier B. Here finally you got this angle, that is 272 degree 24 minute 20 second, and initially we set 180 degree. So difference between these two reading divided by 3, you will get angle on vernier B, which is 30 degree 48 minute 6 second. Now mean angle on vernier. So here two vernier A and vernier B. So mean of these two reading, you will get mean angle on vernier, which is 30 degree 40 minute 46 second. Now the same calculation for face right. So here final reading on vernier A is 91 degree 25 minute 20 second. Initially we said 0 degree. So difference between these two reading divided by 3, you will get angle on vernier A, which is 30 degree 28 minute 26 second. Now for vernier B, final reading on vernier B is 272 degree 20 minute 20 second. Initially we set 180 here. So difference between these two reading divided by 3, you will get angle on vernier B, and it is 30 degree 46 minute 46 second. Now mean angle on vernier for face right. So here angle on vernier A plus angle on vernier B divided by 2, you will get mean angle on vernier for face right, which is 30 degree 37 minute 36 second. Now mean angle of observation. So this is your face left observation and this is face right observation. So mean of these two reading, you will get mean angle of observation, and it is 30 degree 39 minute 11 second. So in remark column, angle QPR is 30 degree 39 minute 11 second, which is free from the instrumental error. Thank you.